Master one part at a time. So Susie is sitting on a shoe shine shop. Susie sitting on a shoe shine shop. Susie sitting on a shoe shine shop. You see, if you
Seriously.
start singing, it will be very easy for you.
Yes, sir.
There are
No,
three shortcuts. Three
yeah,
shortcuts to speak English. You know that? Shortcut number one, speak English.
yes,
Shortcut number two, speak English.
yeah.
Shortcut number three,
Speak English.
you got it. You got it. You got it. I can see you talking to one girl. What's her name? Everyone, I've been conversation with app from beautiful tutor Jeel Lalwani.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, Imran Islam.
yes, sir.
How are you, man? How are you? How's your day? Good morning. And
Yeah,
how are you?
yeah, sir. Good morning, sir. My day is starting, but it was really amazing because I'm talking to you now. Because I was really curious to talk with you because I have seen you in YouTube a lot.
Wow.
So
Thank you. Thank you for that. And what do you do? Are you a student?
yeah, yeah, sir. I am a student. I study in class 11th now in
11.
science background.
Science.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow. Nice. So I'm Nandakumar and I'm talking to you from Chennai, and I suppose you are from Malda,
Yes, sir. Yes.
right? So when did you join Clapingo, Imrahul?
Yeah, it has been almost 4 months, sir.
So it's a 6 month subscription?
Yeah, no, sir. First,
Oh, 3 months, then
three.
you renewed it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I have subscribed for 3 months, and again I have
You are
subscribed for 3 months.
you are a 11th grade student,
Yes, sir.
looking smart.
Thank you, sir.
What do you do, man? What do
Yes,
you do
sir.
to have this smartness? You play cricket, and what are your hobbies?
Yeah, to be honest, sir, I'm not a big fan of play like game, but I really love to talk with others as well as I am running a YouTube channel, but that's why I have to talk a lot.
Wow, you are a YouTuber.
Yes, sir.
Ah, what is the channel called?
My channel name is Vivid Life, sir.
Vivid Life.
Yes, sir.
Vivid Life. Can I Google it?
Yes, sir.
VIVID. Vivid. VIVID.
Yes, sir.
Clear. Life. Life. By, or if I just Vivid Life. Vivid Life. There's a circle with VL. Is it
Yes,
that?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, there's a golden circle with
Yeah.
VL. Vivid.
Yes, sir.
Vivid. Wow. Imraul. 1.5 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Recently I have monetized my channel.
You got some money?
Yeah, I will get. But
Wow,
I have monetized.
I can see you talking to one girl. What's her name? Everyone, I've been conversation with app from beautiful tutor Jeel Lalwani.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Perfect. I like this. So you said you started monetizing this. See, only 1,000 subscribers. Don't they need ask for more subscribers, more likes, more hours? How come you started generating revenue?
Yeah, sir. Actually, sir, I never thought about, it to be a YouTuber. But when I started my channel, then I was generally uploading videos. But after that, one of my video has hit a good number of views. That's why it has hit on almost 99K views. That's why my
99K. Huh?
But in this time, my channel has monetized. But as a science student, I don't get that much time.
You don't get time.
Yeah.
So how do you edit this video? What is the app you are using to edit this?
Yeah, sir. In this time, I'm talking to you now, and after completing the conversation, I will, send my channel link to Clapingo team, and they will provide the video, and after that, I will edit something through a KineMaster application.
KineMaster, you are very, very good at it. Yeah, I can see this. This is good quality. The one which you have uploaded with that lady Clapingo, that's good quality.
Yes,
Nice,
sir.
nice. So, what do you do so to improve your English, Imraul?
Yes, sir. Sir, before 10, I was able to solve every grammatical question, but I was not able to speak. But after 10th, I thought that if I want to achieve my goal, I have to, perform in lots of interview. So, and if my mother tongue is Bengali. So after 10th, I want to do study everything in English. So if I want to do this type of thing, then I need to know English. That's why after 10th, I thought that I have to speak. And I told my tutor, how can I speak, sir? He told me that if you want to speak English, then you have to speak. So I
You
was
have to
searching,
speak. There are three shortcuts. Three
yeah,
shortcuts to speak English. You know that? Shortcut number one, speak English.
yes,
Shortcut number two, speak English.
yeah,
Shortcut number three,
speak English.
like, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Yes, yes,
But
yes, yes.
there are a lot of methods. You must have
Yeah,
been. I mean, you are into the fourth month or fifth month in Clapingo. All the coaches must have told you what you should do, what you should not do. Can you tell me
yeah.
some of the things which you follow to improve your English, or some methods you do to improve your English?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, before, after when I started doing this type of conversation, then I was not able to speak correctly because I was doing a lots of mistake. But in this time, I am making amends because, I was speaking very fast, like a mail train. But I was doing a lots of grammatical mistake also. But in this time, I'm trying to, correct them.
It's
Day
cool.
by day.
You can just relax. So you take before talking, you can just relax, take a deep breath. Cool, easy, and
Yeah,
try to speak a little bit slow. So what happens is you get time to think about what words
yeah,
you can. So if I say, yeah, I'm Imraul Islam talking to you from Malta, and I'm a YouTuber, and I've uploaded several videos. If you can watch that, you can improve your English. And I guarantee, you see, you should speak slowly so you get the next word. If you speak faster and faster, you will be fumbling, you will be lost for words,
yes, sir.
right?
Yes,
Another
sir.
method, another method is speak, and speak. Another method, any other methods you would recommend?
Yeah, as well as
How about singing English songs? Have you heard that singing English songs will improve your spoken or communicative English? Have you heard
yeah,
that?
yes, sir. I believe that listening also a important part of speaking because if I listen, then I can improve my English also. So listen and speak. English song is really important because sometimes when I get time, then I watch English movies also and I listen English song because before starting speaking English, I was speaking, I was watching everything in Hindi or Bengali, but after starting learning English, then I'm learning, listening and
Slow
speaking
down,
everything
slow
in
down,
English.
slow down,
Yes, sir.
slow down.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. That's why I think
Relax,
that
relax
will,
and speak.
yes, sir. That will help me a lot, I think.
Any coaches ask you to learn tongue twisters?
Yeah, none tell me, but I think it is important. But I
Yeah,
haven't tried.
you haven't tried. Shall we try
Yes,
one or two tongue twisters?
yes, yes, sir.
Okay,
But
one
it is
tongue
my
twister
first
is
time, sir.
yeah, very simple tongue twister. You have to practice that daily. Spend at least 5 to 10 minutes in improving. Work on tongue twisters. One time, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower. You have to slowly start and increase the speed. Say it again. Repeat after me. Upper roller, lower roller. Upper roller,
Upper,
lower roller. Upper roller, lower. Upper roller, lower roller. Upper roller,
upper, upper roller.
lower roller.
Oh,
Say it after me. Upper roller,
up roller, upper roller,
lower,
lower,
low roller.
upper roller, lower,
Lower
lower.
roller. See, it's
Oh,
difficult.
roller.
You see, if you are good in tongue twisters, automatically your spoken English also will be improved. And if your English is good, vice versa, your tongue twisters also will be good. Okay,
Okay, sir.
upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower. The another one, red light, yellow light, red light, yellow light. Simple. I'm giving you simple ones. I'm not giving you
Yeah.
the tougher one. Red light, yellow light.
Red light, yellow light.
This is easy, faster,
Yes.
faster.
Red light, yellow light. Red light, yellow light.
Red
It's so
lorry,
easy.
yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow
Faster,
lorry. Red lorry,
faster.
yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry.
Susie,
It's
Susie is sitting on a shoe shine shop. Susie is sitting on a shoe shine shop. Susie is a
Susie
girl,
sitting on
a
a
smart girl. Susie
uh,
is sitting on a shoe shine shop. Shoe shine
uh,
means shoe polishing shop. Susie is
oh,
sitting on a shoe shine shop. Susie is sitting
Susie
on a shoe
sitting on
shine
a shoe
shop.
sign shop. I think I can say.
Yeah,
Susie
you got
sitting.
it.
Susie sitting on a shoe sign shop. Is it?
Shoe shine, not Sue.
Oh,
Shoe shine shop.
oh.
So you can
Susie sitting on a shoe
break
sign.
it. Susie sitting on a shoe shine shop. Shoe shine shop. Shoe shine shop. So if something is difficult, you break it into 2 parts or 3 parts and master one part at a time. So Susie is sitting on a shoe shine shop. Susie sitting on a shoe shine shop. Susie sitting on a shoe shine shop. You see, if you
Susie.
start singing, it will be very easy for you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's really
Good.
beneficial.
She sells seashells in the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. On the seashore. She is a lady selling seashells on the seashore.
On the seashore. Seashells, seashore.
She sells. She is a seller. She sells seashells on the seashore.
She sells
So try,
seashells on the seashore.
Yeah. Try to Google. You can get like thousands of tongue twisters and try to practice, and it will be fun. I want fun way, to learn English, not be so serious about that. All right. So what's the topic today? What's the topic?
I think city and village. I think
city. And do you like to live in a city or a small town, or you want to be in a village? And where do you live? Malda is a good town or a city?
Yeah, Malda is a town, but I live in a village of Malda. And
Malda. Okay. So what's the advantages of living in a village, and what are the advantages of living in a city?
Yes, sir. Everything has their advantage and disadvantage. But if I live in a village, then we can, then our health will be good day by day, because the air is smokeless, and there will not find
no
any
pollution. Say no pollution.
Yeah.
That's the word. No pollution.
No pollution. And
serene, calm, cool.
Yeah. And village is the environment of village is so cool and calm, so it is really beautiful, and the village is full of greenery. And if you see greenery, then you will get relief a lot. So that will help us a lot. And there because our and village villager are not that much educated, but they are friendly, and they help each other. They never neglect others, avoid others. They always help each other. They are, and as well as I believe that everything has their disadvantage also. Like that, the vehicle is not updated. The vehicle of village is not updated. But in this time, I have never seen a village which is low updated, because everything everywhere has the way to run the vehicle. So I think, but in my, because the very problem which I am facing now is that I'm not getting good school in village, because I really love, that's why, because I have to travel almost 16 kilometers every day to go to my school. So this is a very problem which I am facing. There are lots of school, but there is no science facility. So I want to study in science. That's why I have to go. I have to travel a lot. So this travel, getting a lots of time of my study. So this is on disadvantage. But city also beautiful, but city is full of need and bustle. But it is apart from that, this is really a city can make your life bright. You can get good education also. And I think I am not sure. I live in a village, so I will say the advantage of village a lot. But I've never been city. I have visited a lots of city as a tourist, but don't know them. But I have seen, I have listened a lots of talking like that. As village cities, city men are not that much helpful. They didn't help each others. I think I'm not saying everyone, but maximum of them. So I don't know it
Wow.
is right or wrong. And
No, 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 no. These are the good points in villages. You don't. The pollution-free atmosphere is
yeah,
the greatest advantage, merit of village. But hustle buzzles, as you said, you use that word, hustle buzzles of the city,
yeah,
and you will be very, the pollution. But you have good schools, good medical facilities, good infrastructure in the cities. You have good transportation. Anywhere, anything is possible.
yeah,
Employment opportunities, universities, colleges, schools, everything possible
yeah,
if you are in a city. But the cost of living, which is higher, cost of
yeah,
living cities, you
yes,
need a lot of money. So what do
yes,
you
sir.
think, Imrahul, after your course, after 12th, you are now 11th, next year you will be in 12th. So what do
Yes.
you want to pursue? You want to be a doctor, engineer, or a YouTuber?
Yeah, YouTuber is my purpose, and I really love to do. That's why I'm doing that. But if I talk about my career plan, that is, I want to study every subject in English after 12th. This time I'm learning every subject in Bengali, but after 12th, I've seen, a lots of learners who are afraid of mathematics. They don't like to solve mathematics, but I really love to solve mathematics. So in future, after completing my education, I will do something for them. I will train mathematics, how to love mathematics in a funny and easy way. I will train
Wow,
them, and it's my long.
you want to be a mathematics coach.
Yes, you can say like that. But but I don't like to teach. Like I will syllabus. I will complete the syllabus in 1 year.
No, no,
I will
in
just
a
I will just
different
complete their
way.
basic.
Mm.
Yeah, I
Basic.
will make fun with math. So it's my long time goal. But
Have
if
you
I
heard
talk
about
about,
Vedic mathematics? Vedic mathematics.
yeah, yeah,
Easy method of solving the mathematical problems and puzzles.
yeah, I have heard about it, so a little bit, but I don't have proper knowledge about it. But I have heard about it. I know the
Mhm.
word, that word.
Okay,
Yes,
right.
sir.
We have only 1 minute. It was a pleasure talking to
Oh,
you, Mr. Imrahul Islam, and wish you good luck. And I will see this video after this session. This vivid talks